Smart Portfolio. I'm going to invite you onto the stage so you can share your screen. And after we have all the pitches done, 3 minutes each, then we're going to have our judging time. Hi, Juan.
Hello, everyone.
As
Can you
well
guys hear me?
as, yes,
Wonderful. I'll start
announce the
by
hackathon
sharing my
winners
screen.
afterwards. Go for it.
Awesome. Can you see my screen?
Yes, perfect.
Awesome. All right. Hello, I'm presenting Smart Portfolio, a Web3 portfolio manager that makes crypto investing accessible to everyone. Our mission is simple: empower regular people to invest in crypto without the typical Web3 headaches. We're targeting users of traditional finance tools who want exposure to Web3 but are held back by its complexity. We've identified 3 critical barriers keeping people away from crypto: complex entry requirements like seed phrases and gas fees that intimidate newcomers, a steep technical learning curve with confusing DeFi concepts, and a lack of clear guidance on how to enter Web3 markets and manage a portfolio. Smart Portfolio offers 3 innovative solutions powered by Particle Network and deployed on Base. First, seamless authentication through social login. Just use your Google or email account. Second, completely gasless operations through account abstraction. Every transaction is sponsored. No need for browser wallets or extensions, making portfolio management as smooth as using any Web2 app. Third, risk-based portfolio templates and custom choices supporting up to 5 tokens per individual portfolio, which allows users to buy any token they desire. Each portfolio features real-time tracking and one-click liquidation, giving users complete control. Let me show you how easy it is to start investing in crypto with Smart Portfolio. First of all we're going to do is just connect. We're going to connect using our Google account. We're going to specify the account that we want to be connected with Particle. We're going to wait for Particle, and this is going to create an external on account and a smart account, which we'll be using to interact with the protocol itself. As an example, I added a faucet here, so you can claim tokens and test the app. All you gotta do is confirm the transaction, and everything will work out of the box. You have your tokens. In the core of the product, we have a low risk plan, a medium risk plan, and a high risk plan. And for our power users, we allow them to choose their individual tokens and the distribution. In the backend, what we're doing is making 3 different transactions in a fork of Uniswap. If we choose all the 3 tokens and all the percentages, all you gotta do is input the amount and click enter and confirm the transaction. Again, this is all gasless and the users do not touch the blockchain in any way. Finally, you can check the hash if you're that kind of person. And if you want to see your dashboard, you'll see your total investment, your portfolio distributed through all the portfolios, in this case, 2 of them, and keep everything on track. There's a chart. And of course, this is a fork of Uniswap. So if you want to swap a single asset, you can do so by just clicking the one that you want to swap and confirm. Lastly, if you want to check the dashboard again or sell a single portfolio, you can do so by just clicking the one-click liquidation sell button. Looking at the future, we're targeting 85 million new Web3 users expected in 2025. By capturing just 1% of these users, we'll help 850,000 people confidently build and manage their first crypto portfolios without the use of complexities, all thanks to Particle Network. As for who's building this, I'm Juan David. I'm a computer science graduate. I previously worked with Open Zeppelin, won multiple hackathons, and received scholarship for both Polygon and AimClub. The next step for this project is to integrate fees, a fiat on-ramp, and launch. Thanks a lot for your time, and if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out.
Great. Thank you so much, Juan. Congratulations on making it to the finalist. I'm going to stop sharing the screen and actually invite a DeFi team onto the stage. I'll just remove you, Juan, as well. Thank you. Hi, Uri. Please feel free to share your screen and start your pitch.
Okay, should I start?
Yes, go for it.
Okay, so I'm here to present you like the future of like investments in like the crypto world. Basically, we're solving like the problem of it's frozen the screen. So okay, now. So the problem we're trying to solve is the accessibility barrier that there's inside like the crypto asset world. Basically, like having a proper portfolio is hard to diversify and it's super time consuming, as well as like the range of products is very limited and it's hard to share with other investors. And apart from that, like there's a huge accessibility barrier, especially when it comes to financial and technical knowledge. So what we're bringing is basically like the new era of crypto index funds. So basically we're providing index funds that are totally customized by the user. So it's completely adapted to their needs and their strategy, as well as we want to make it community focused. Apart from that, our main value proposition will be like to have an unprecedented accessibility when it comes to financial and technical knowledge, as well as the user experience. So when it comes to the market, day by day, the investment world is shifting into passive investments type of assets. So like all the industry is shifting to like kind of index funds. And apart from that, when we first realized like there's a huge problem when it comes in this sector, and we went to study like all the competition and did market research, and we realized that like all the competition have really bad user experience, as well as they're very early stage, like when it comes to like development and maturity. So there's a huge opportunity there. When it comes to the business model, we developed a full tokenomics protocol, and well, if you are interested with further reading, let us know, and we'll like give you more details. Due to time constraints, I won't be able to explain it in detail now. And when it comes to like the tech stack that we used in this hackathon, basically we use Particle Network in order to implement like the social login, and Cluster in order to implement like the cross-chain functionality. So both of them have bring us way closer to bringing this unprecedented user experience and allowing like anyone to access any blockchain without the requirement of seed phrases. So when it comes to roadmap, right now we're working on prototype development, as well as waiting for the Particle universal accounts to be released and to integrate them as well. And when it comes to 2025, we're gonna focus on user validation and iterating on like the product and giving this feedback, and we're gonna iterate. And during Q2 2025, we're expecting to do a beta launch in mainnet. So when it comes to like, I'm gonna go a little bit around like the features we have. And basically, when you hop into our website, we have like the dashboard where you can see all like the different products that we offer, created by other managers, as well as the page where you can create your own index. You can select whatever tokens you want and put up on duration, and all these will be abstracted in a single token. That will be the index token. Apart from that, you can also see like the deployed indexes that you have, and you can go into further details in each one of them. And when it comes to issuance and redemption, well, you can create these new tokens that will abstract this basket of tokens behind them, and as well as like to the redemption. Finally, there's like a user-centric feature where you can see like your own portfolio, and you can see like whatever you have won or lost, given your buys and sells inside like these index funds market. So I hope you enjoyed that, and my colleague Alvaro is gonna leave you like the demo video and our website in like the chat. And yeah, any further questions, please let us know.
Great. Thank you so much, Uri, for the demo and the pitch as well. Congrats as well for making it to the top finalist. I'm going to take you off the stage now, and I'm going to invite Yamata on. So you should see an invite as well. Perfect.
Hello,
hi, Brendan.
live. Hi, how are you?
I'm good, I'm good. Please take the stage.
Okay, I'm just going to share now. Okay, Brendan is my name, and I'm here today to tell you about Yamata. So Yamata is a hybrid exchange. What we mean by that is we've taken an off-chain sequencer and fused it with a decentralized wallet infrastructure. The kind of overall mission, grand mission of Yamata is to offer the user a full centralized exchange, Web2 feeling user experience and trading suite, while also giving them the security and confidence that comes with self-custody and a decentralized environment. I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, okay, I've seen this before. Yes, hybrids do exist, but none exist quite like Yamata. All the other hybrids out there that we've seen, their off-chain sequencer is a fully centralized component with no oversight. On Yamata, we do things differently. We use a proof of history model, sort of similar to Solana's, but ours has only one mission in mind, and that is to keep our matching engine completely honest. With this system, we can offer the speed of a centralized exchange while also keep the transparency of decentralized systems. So why are we doing this? The problem, crypto traders are not properly served by AMMs. What we mean by this is if you're a newbie to the space or non-crypto native and you go to use a DEX like Uniswap for the first time, you're hit with having to set up a MetaMask-like wallet. This means, seed phrases and private key management. It's terrible. It's a horrible user experience. If it doesn't push them away from the space completely, it will push them towards a centralized exchange. We all know what the problems are there. On the other side of the fence, then, we have experienced traders. These guys, at minimum, need limit orders. A lot of the time, they want more exotic order types than that to effectively run their strategies. This is where we feel there's a massive gap in the market, and this is the one that Yamada will fill. Yamada is better than sex, bold statement, but one we feel we can stick to. We use account abstraction for the win with Particle, of course. It works very well. Onboarding is literally a 1 or 2 click process. It feels just like Web 2 for our non-crypto native audience. Legendary matching engine, as I mentioned already, the matching engine is off-chain. This means we can do 84 million trades per second, which gives us a speed and performance that will compete with any centralized exchange. Trustless. So under the hood, the wallets on Yamada are multi-sig 2 of 2 based on Gnosis Safe. We retain one key, which signs everything, and critically, the user retains the other key, so they can sleep safe in the knowledge that we cannot misappropriate their funds, even if we wanted to. Killer order types. We have limit orders, stop loss, take profit, swap, programmatic orders. We will soon have perps and futures from Orderly Network as well. And of course, we have market orders and swaps as standard too. The why now? So, of course, the rise of high-performance blockchains has made this a more realistic ambition. But really, for me, it comes down to the 3 big abstractions. That's one, account abstraction. As I've mentioned, we're using Particle Wallet as a service for that. It works very, very well. Really simple, exactly what we are looking for. The other one is gas abstraction. We use paymasters, again, sorted. Then that leaves the final frontier, or the final boss, if you will, of chain abstraction. We do not want our users to have to toggle through chains while we're promising this, slick centralized exchange style UX. We use Classer at the moment for cross-chain deposits. Ultimately, we see Yamada operating using Particle universal accounts for everything. I would go so far as to say Yamada might be the killer app for Particle. And that's it from me. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Brendan. Congratulations on making it to the finalists round. I'm going to move on to Keyless now and remove you on from the stage. Michael from Keyless, you should see an invite pop in. Great. Hi there.
Howdy, how's it going?
Good, great. Stage is yours.
All right, thanks so much. Here we go. Presentation's up. Okay. Hi, I'm here to show you Keyless, the AI agent that makes carrying out crypto wallet transactions as easy as possible. In 2023, there were over $36.6 trillion worth of cryptocurrency traded. That is an absolutely insane amount of volume. But what's even crazier about that stat is that only 17% of Americans have ever owned crypto, and just 7% currently hold any, which doesn't change much worldwide either. It's only 6.8% worldwide. And so despite all this, 43% of Americans say that they're likely to buy crypto for the first time within the next year. That is a huge disconnect. And so why aren't people buying crypto if they want to? The problem, crypto is still too hard. Users face confusing transactions, too many wallet options, exchanges, blockchains, and just intimidating language. Managing on-chain transactions requires a certain level of technical expertise, particularly with the vocabulary that really turns away a lot of potential users. And so that's why we made Keyless AI, the AI agent for abstracting out on-chain actions and letting you manage your crypto wallets using simple natural language prompts. And so we support multiple actions in one go, like transferring, swapping, bridging, and being able to bundle those all together. And that works seamlessly across chains. So we'll go ahead and jump to the demo. And so this is where we can go ahead and show you our app. And so we are using the Particle Connect SDK to effortlessly connect your wallet and removing the hassle of a lot of manual steps. And here, for example, we're going to sign in with a MetaMask wallet. And let's go ahead and jump to a transaction too. And so here we're carrying out a swap transaction, which we are able to prompt and sign using Particle and MetaMask. And what we're quite excited about too, if we jump ahead, is our ability to do more complex transactions and bundle them together. And so we can thank Cluster for being able to enable bundling multiple transactions into a single smart account action. So this really streamlines the more complex workflows, as you can imagine, especially if you add even more transactions. And then Agoric is allowing us to bridge across Cosmos and IBC networks, making the cross-chain interactions effortless. And so that's our demo. And so, yeah, just want to give a quick shout out to all of our sponsors and the lovely people at Encode for making this happen. And for our progress, we're pretty pleased with what we've been able to do across this hackathon. We made an AI agent that fully functions and orchestrates wallet actions, and supports lots of different transactions due to our wonderful sponsors. Sorry about that logo there. We just really love Particle. Wanted to make that very clear. And as we're growing, we want to make this a production level app with more automation, voice agents, and mobile responsiveness, and expand to even more chains and wallets so we can take over. So we hope you enjoy the presentation and you will join us in Simplifying Crypto. We have a link to our deployment there, and feel free to reach out to us if you have any questions. Thanks so much.
Thank you, Michael. Please feel free to paste the links as well in the chat. So it's
yeah, of course,
for everyone, and the same for everyone else that presents and presented. I'm going to take you off the stage. Thank you so much, and invite the next speaker, which is Mocha, which Odafe from Mocha will be invited soon. There is some strong competition today, which is super exciting. You should have received an invitation, Odafe. Trying again. Getting ready, perfect. Okay, well, Odafe, please make sure, let's try one more time. If not, I'm going to skip and then come back to you. Last time we're trying. It says getting ready, make sure your audio is okay. Okay, we're going to skip and come back to you. Let's try multi-chain disperse for now. Getting ready. Great.
Hey,
Hi, Ashasvi. Hi, how are you?
I'm good. Let me just share my screen.
Great. Amazing.
Okay, I hope it is visible.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, so I'll just start. So hello and welcome everyone. This is Project Multi-Chain Disperse. So the problem which we are trying to tackle with Multi-Chain Disperse is fragmented liquidity across multiple chains, complex user experience, and interoperability issues. In a nutshell, Multi-Chain Disperse is a chain abstracted disperse app for instant multi-chain token transfer. Let's look at some of the features of multi-chain disperse. So the platform provides easy user onboarding with Particle Connect. We have implemented app-level chain abstraction using the Cluster SDK. So a user can disperse token to any number of accounts on any number of chains in a single interchain transaction. And also you can pay gas fee on any chain of your choice. I would like to give a quick overview of how an interchain transaction flow works. So when a user is onboarded to the dApp dashboard using the Particle Connect, user has the choice to select the chain to pay gas fee. Then the user can create a dispersed transaction using the dApp UI. Currently, we support these three tokens. A bundled ITX object looks something like this, where the first transaction is always the gas payment transaction. And the user can just click on sign and execute, and all transactions are settled on respective chains. So now let's see all of this in action. So this is the landing page for multi-chain dispose app. Let's get started by launching the app. We will connect the wallet using the particle connect, and then we will be taken to the dashboard. Here you can see the universal account address, which is available on these 4 chains. Under this is the unified ETH balance across all those chains. So you can also select the chain that you want to use to pay gas fee. The token here is ETH. So we will be paying gas fee in ETH on base for this demo. Let's just try to create a token dispersed transaction. We will use USDC token. So you can see the unified USDC balance and can also see the allocation across 4 chains. Here we have some liquidity on the Arbitrum and base mainnet. Now we can add the receiver addresses, desired chains, and amount. Let's just wait while the transaction is being filled. So yeah, the transactions are filled. Let's just get the interchain code for this transaction. So as you can see, we will be paying approximately 6 cents in ETH as gas fee on base. Let's just sign and execute this interchain transaction. So the transaction is being executed. The transaction was successful. We can now open it on Cluster Explorer. Here you can see the 2 transactions that were settled on 2 different chains. And here is the USDC token transfer transaction on the base. So, which was successful. So yeah, this was a quick demo. At the end, I want to share our team's future vision for the project. First and foremost, we want to add support for any token to be used for gas payment. Also, we want to implement transfer of custom tokens on any chain and work on gas fee optimization. So that's all for multi-chain disperse. Thank you, everyone. I hope you liked our project.
Thank you for presenting. Congratulations on making it to the finalists as well. I'm going to remove you from the stream and invite Odafe again. Hopefully you can make it this time. Let's see, getting ready. Perfect. Hi there, the stage is yours. Your audio seems to not be working so well. Let's try again.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, now we can.
Okay, let me share my screen. Okay, so my name is Odafe, and I'm building a MOOCA, which is a platform for book lovers. The problem I set out to solve was to help independent authors monetize their creation and to help investors that want to capture upside in authors' creation, make it very easy to do that with a token. So what is MOOCA? MOOCA is a platform that makes it easy for authors to publish their work and to sell it to their fans, and also to make it easy to get funding from investors and speculators within the Web3 ecosystem. It has 3 main components. So it has a fund where an author can say they want to create a work, and anyone can invest, give them liquidity USDT, and receive a token, which allows them to earn from book sales. Then it also has a book publishing platform and a reading platform. So this is the technology architecture. The main thing for MOOCA is to have a Web2-like reading experience. So we did that with Particle Connect. So you can sign up with your email. There's a bookstore where you pay for books in USDC, and it doesn't matter whether it's almost gasless for users, right? And that's powered by Cluster. For the crowdfund, the price of the token at the time of buying, because this is a bonding curve, that is tracked by a setup price. So to see what this looks like, here's a quick demo. Remember I said you can sign up with your email. There's the funding wallet where you deposit your USDC for buying books and paying for gas. So this is what it looks like to buy a book. You click buy, you confirm the transaction, and you wait for it to be confirmed. Yes. So the next thing is funding a book. So this is the interface an author will use to create a book. Then for an investor, they just go to the book that they're interested in or the author of the project, they click buy tokens, they enter the amount in USDC and the price, and they get the equivalent of the token. So what is next for Mocha? I want to have better tokenomics, want to improve user experience for readers and even authors as well, and want to have more access to liquidity by integrating with Solana, and we're considering opening the platform up not just to authors but to other types of creators. Thank you to Encode and to all the sponsors.
Great. Thank you, Dafe. Congratulations for making it to the finalist. I'm going to stop sharing your screen and invite Skytrade on to the stage.
Yeah. Hello, guys. You can hear me, right?
Yes, perfect.
Okay. Let me share my screen. Yeah. So hi, we are Skytrade and we are here to secure and monetize our air rights. The problem we are trying to solve is in the US, UK, and other jurisdictions, the landowners are the rightful owners of the airspace up to 500 feet. And with the recent growth in the drone industries, the drones are facing a barriers that they can only fly up to 400 feet as per as government regulations. So whenever they're flying, they're always intruding into someone else's airspace, which is illegal. So as a solution to this, we bring a platform where the landowners can come, they can register their airspace, they can provide the necessary KYC, and we can monetize the land and they can earn some passive incomes. So the drone owners will visit the platform, they can rent those airspaces above which they want to fly. And whenever they're flying, they are flying illegally because they are paying the rent to the landowner. So from the perspective of the drone owners, we are trying to streamline the process of bridging tokens across different blockchains so that they can only fly and focus on flying and also completing their operations, and they can effortlessly pay the transactions through our UI. So the market size for the air rights in the US is pretty huge, and there are very less businesses that are tapping into it. So our business model is pretty simple. We charge commission on the rental leases and rentals. And also we have a priced API to monitor and see all the drone activities of the landowner's airspace. Also, we earn some revenues through other tokenomics. So we don't have any direct competitions. Also, there are some companies who are building some segments of us. So we have partnerships with various other local government entities like the Utah Department of Transports, and also some real estate companies and some other drone companies. So I'm going to show you a demo where we, with the help of Cluster SDK, a drone owner can connect their UI. So here is our wallet UI, and you can choose several payment methods. Now we will use Cluster SDK. So the drone owner can connect their wallet with our wallet UI. So they have used MetaMask for now. So once connected, we can see the address and the total USDC across all the chains that the drone owner owns. So our plan is, with the help of Cluster SDK, we will transfer all the USDC to one particular EVM compatible chain. And once that is bridged, we will take all the USDC from that EVM compatible chain and transfer it to the Solana address of the Skytrade as the wallet UI into the USDC. So once that is done, the drone owner can pay the rent for the airspaces. So yeah, a huge shout out to our founder, our CEO, Jonathan, who has experience in building various other marketplaces, and also Marcin, our CTO, who has also supervised and led various other crypto projects in the past. Thank you. That's us.
Thank you, Sayantan, for the presentation. Congratulations for making the finalist. I'm going to invite Stream Fund onto the stage. Well, then you should see. Oh, perfect. Hi there. The stage
Hello.
is yours.
Okay, let me share my screen. Right, so GM everybody, so Stream Fund here. Stream, engage, and earn. So Stream Fund is a platform that connecting between streamer and viewer, it enabling them to connect, interact, and making a support. Stream Fund solves the problem of streaming donation by removing platform restriction and providing universal solution for the streamer, so they can customize and manage support on any live stream platform. In the Stream Fund, we have also several app features such as token donation by native and stablecoin, video support, and ads. So imagine a streamer has a 10K of viewers and you're advertising your meme token. Well, that's a direct hit. Also, with the chain abstraction, we have unified balance, so user can use it seamlessly across multiple chains. So without the chain abstraction, issues like fragmented liquidity and manual asset bridging can arise, leading them to higher fees and longer transaction time. With chain abstraction, it allows users to consolidate asset into a unified balance, offering a seamless, efficient experience while also reducing the transaction complexity. In the first quarter of 2024, people watched around 4.5 billion hours of live stream, with the audience growing yearly. The revenue for 2024 is projected at 13.65 billion, driven mainly by viewer donation through the streaming platform. However, big platforms like Twitch, TikTok, and YouTube have not yet adopted Web3, and they are very strict with their rules. So this is the tech stack that we use to build the Stream Fund. We use Particle Connect, Cluster SDK, Across Protocol, and many more. So I think that's all the introduction of the Stream Fund. Now let's see our video demo about our Stream Fund. Hey everybody, my name is Wildan, and I will guide you how to integrate Stream Fund into your streaming platform. So first of all, you need to visit this link and register as a streamer. And then you can configure your alert, running text, video, and etc. And after that, you can grab your streaming key here and install it on your favorite streaming application, such as the Op Studio here. So already config here for you. Like this is a video, QR code running, and etc. And then yeah, that's it. It's pretty easy, right? And then right now, from the viewer itself, they can scan this QR code and make a support for you. So I'll take to demonstrate how the viewer can support you. So I can take this it and choose with add, then GM, then that music. Okay, now I can support them. Wait a minute. Okay, it's ready configure. And yeah, so this transaction will take around maybe 30 to 50 minutes, 30 seconds to a minute. But in the sake of the video, I will just try to using this to show up the output. So yeah, that's it. It's easy, right? So enjoy the Stream Fun. Thank you. Yeah, I think that's all of the Stream Fun. I hope you guys can enjoy and love it, and very well. Thank you very much.
Great, thank you so much, Wilden, and congratulations as well. We are down to our last pitch. I'm going to invite Exchange Shop now. Julian, please take the stage.
Hello.
Hi there. Hi. Go for it.
My screen. Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay. Hi everyone, we are Team Exchange Shop, building a global P2P platform for second-hand trading. Inspired by GPS-based second-hand trading apps in Korea, we are taking it further by adding cryptocurrency payments. This enables safe and easy trading with local communities worldwide. Problem and solve. First of price. A traditional payments method like credit card charging up to 10% in fees. With cryptocurrency, we've cut that down to just 3%, making it more affordable and efficient. Next is trust. We've got escrow payments to keep transactions secure, GPS tracking, and a price oracle to ensure everything stays fair and transparent. On the tech side, we are leveraging SEDA and smart contracts to make it all seamlessly. It's accessible to anyone, travelers, expatriates, or anyone who need to easy trading option abroad. Finally, this works anywhere. We've built cross-chain compatibility for EVM and Cosmos ecosystem. To simplify things, we are using cluster for chain abstraction and algorithmic orchestration to tie it all together. It's truly designed to be global. Let's brief description. We see the demo video. We've added easy onboarding with Particle Connect.
and seller can list item effortlessly. Destination chains. And we're currently expanding payment support into Cosmos ecosystem using Agric. And real-time pricing with Zeta Oracle is already implemented. We built cross-chain USDC payments with using cluster. And confirm. And that's it. And once the transaction was successfully completed, using purchase was finalized. Our mission is expanding beyond the EVM ecosystem to other chains, aiming for a truly anyone, anywhere platform. Thank you.
Amazing. Thank you, Junian, for your pitch, and congratulations on making it to the final. I'm going to remove you from the stream as well. And now we have gotten to the judging time. I'm going to give everyone a 5-minute break while our judges decide who the hackathon winner is based on the previous projects. We're going to have 2 finalists and the prize will be split between them. But in the meantime, please scan the QR code and fill in our small survey. It takes about less than 3 minutes. And after 5 minutes, I will come back here and continue to announce all the bounties. So stay tuned and see you soon.
Should be cool. Let me see what we got in here. Oh, I think I need to cut my audio for this. I'm not supposed to share.
then announce the final hackathon top 2 winning teams that are splitting the grand prize of $10,000. First, we have Cluster. So I'm going to invite them onto the stage now to announce the winners. Ivan, getting ready. Perfect.
Oh,
Great.
test. Can you hear me?
Yes, perfect. Okay, are we ready for the first prize?
Yes, we are. Number one will be Eliza's.
Yes.
That's number one. Number two is going to be Crypto Bro, another AI agent. The third prize is going to be split between Zenfi and DeFiX, which is, or actually, it's called IDX. I'm actually not sure because there were two names on the list.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's
IDX.
IDX. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's actually called IDX. I really like what you guys did. Yeah, portfolio management, creating indexes, things like that was really cool. But right now, the hype is really on the AI agents, and I think Eliza's and Crypto Bro did a really interesting job. This is also, just want to take this opportunity to give a shout out to Keyless. You guys were really on point as well. Yeah, just Crypto Bro had it just a bit better fine tuned, and yeah, ended up just winning this. And Alvaro, great job, man. That was really interesting to see. And clearly, congrats to Eliza's for number one. Yeah, it's really interesting to see what's happening in that space as well. And yeah, that was a really interesting project as well. Thank you everyone for participating. And yeah, let me know if you want to keep working with us, and happy to help.
Great, thank you so much, Ivan. Congratulations everyone as well. And I'm going to move on to our next sponsor, which is SEDA. So please welcome onto the stage to announce the winners. Hi, Matt.
Hello. Can you hear me well?
Yes, perfect. Okay,
all right, Emma, let's go through it.
First prize.
Artemis AI, very exciting to see some AI agents on SEDA chain. Sorry guys, doing what I can with the kids. Number two, full reward for 2.5K, and number three with 1,000 USD is Next Oracle. And then of course we have the honorary prizes. So we'll do this the Olympic style. Up front, asset links, Banshee Music, Bouncer, Emergency, Say Die, love the name. Say to Stream, also love the name. Exchange Shop, and Yield. Amazing job, everyone. So just a quick shout out from our side as well, because we didn't know what was going to get built, but when you have access to any data, amazing things get built. So thanks everyone for participating who use the SEDA Oracle programs.
Great, thank you so much, Matt. We're going to hear next from Agoric. So please, Giovanni, welcome to the stage. There are two categories for this as well. Hi there.
Yeah, okay, awesome. Yeah, so thanks for having us, of course, and we're pretty excited because there was a lot of interesting participation here. So, our first, what we doing? First place first? Okay. Our first place is going to Keyless. Congratulations. We love what you did, and also you guys were able to actually write a contract that is close to a orchestration contract that is close to being at least reviewable and demoable, right? Demoable. And so congratulations on that. Awesome work. In second place, we're giving this to Exchange Shop. Your cross-chain e-commerce approach, I think, is going to be useful if you so choose to want to continue to build it out, right? So congratulations on that. And yes, also we're in regards to the prize pool, we're giving this to split between two teams. NFT drop. We love that you were able to use Zoe to do what Zoe does best, with your NFT store. So awesome work on that. And also Telehealth Soul. We love that you were trying to connect the Solana world and the Cosmos world by using Agoric for orchestrating that. And so kudos to your effort as well. And we want to thank everybody else for participating, and congrats to the teams who placed. Awesome work.
Amazing. Thank you so much, Giovanni, and congratulations to the Agoric Bounty winners. Next, we have Octo. I am going to announce the winners as well. So for this prize pool, we have the most innovative dApps built on the Octo SDK. The winner is Frostfin, and they will receive 1,500 US dollars. So congratulations, everyone. And next, we have, last but not least, David from Particle Network. He's going to announce the bounty winner as well as the final two hackathon winners. Please enter the stage. Perfect. If you unmute yourself as well, David, then we can hear you too. You're muted. Great.
All right. Is it working?
Yes. Okay, so first prize is...
Hello, hello.
Can you see my screen? Okay, David. First prize for $6,000 is Yamata. The second one is multi-chain disperse. And the third one will be Artemis AI. So while we're getting David back on to announce the grand hackathon winners, congratulations, everyone, for winning the particle integration bounty with a prize pool of 10,000 US dollars. And while we're getting David back.
All right. Is it working?
Hi there. Yes.
Sorry about that. For some reason, everything froze up once I joined. Messed up
No
everything,
worries.
but yeah, very excited to announce the winners. It was a difficult choice because there were a lot of very interesting projects. So we really have had to dig into the top ones. Everything, all these, we chose these three winners because those were the projects that were a little bit more complex, and they also had a little bit a vision of what we want to see as a chain abstracted application. So congratulations to all of them. I really hope that the funds are going to help bring in these applications to real users very soon.
Great. Thank you. And now we're going to move on to the grand winners of this whole hackathon. Two teams have conquered the prize and won 5K each. So they are Yamata and Multichain Disperse.
Congratulations, guys.
Congratulations, everyone. David, any last few words on the grand prize winners?
Yeah, I just wanted to reiterate, we were really happy with the use case and the utilization of particle and cluster. It was good to see the creativity there. I understand from our side, we were expecting to have chain abstraction SDKs out of the box from particle. We had a few delays there, so it was really good to see the creativity of using Particle Connect with cluster. Was definitely what we had in mind in this side here. So hopefully these applications are all going to be able to use our universal accounts very soon.
Great. Well, thank you so much for powering the hackathon as well. And thank you to all the bounty winners and sponsors as well. Just a small reminder, all prizes are tentative and can be altered after additional due diligence. After this, you will be contacted to receive the prizes from each sponsor. And congratulations again, everyone. Well done for making the final. Well done for attending, for submitting, for participating. And can't wait to see you on the next one. But yeah, that is it. Thank you so much, everyone. And see you at the next one. Great work, everyone.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Okay. Yeah, I think I am taking off for a little bit. I think I have a couple things today on the calendar. Let me check and see if there is anybody actually watching. I don't know. I haven't really been looking at chat. I probably should be. But let's see really quick. Oh, I thought I had something that I wanted to stream today. Oh yeah. If you follow at MindCultivate, we have a X space today about onboarding for in general in tech, and then things like cybersecurity, AI, and Web3. So that should be a fun little conversation. And then I believe around 7 p.m.-ish PST, Max is going to do his probabilistic machine learning book reading group. So if that is a topic of interest to you, then I will see if I can get that maybe streaming, maybe recording. Probably recording because it tends to be pretty dense, so I like to cut them up a little bit. But if you want to actually be there, then just go follow at Max Eifer. That's MaxAifer, and then jump in the space with us. And you can get the links to like the book and all that good stuff in there too. All right, but that was super dope. I'm actually checking in with the Encode Club people to see if I can get a full gallery of all of those projects, because there was like 20 there that I didn't get to see, and I really liked all the other ones. So yeah, we'll maybe check that out later, and maybe we'll poke around and do a little side stream of it. All right, if you are here, thank you for watching, and then if you're not,